Welcome to this tutorial on managing integration between ONPRINTSHOP Web to Print and Quote and Print MIS in both directions, especially with business-to-business transactions with predefined products or stock warehouse items as an existing customer. In setting up corporates, departments and web customers, make sure that the shipping address code in ONPRINTSHOP corresponds to your Quote and Print customer delivery address code, and the corporate department and web customer billing address corresponds to your Quote and Print customer code. Now thinking about products, in this case predefined products or warehouse items, make sure the SKU or the stock keeping unit is allocated for each product. For each product in ONPRINTSHOP, create a corresponding stock item in Quote and Print using the SKU as the stock code. Now don't forget to set up a warehouse for each product. Before going live, adjust the stock balance in Quote and Print for each product, and that stock balance will be transferred to ONPRINTSHOP. For each predefined product in ONPRINTSHOP, you may wish to allocate an additional option which represents the holding or the selling costs associated with each product. Now for each additional option, we need to set up an appropriate SKU from the Products Product Size Options SKU. The first thing to do is to select the product, check the additional option and download the file, which will be a .csv file. In the CSV file that is downloaded, make sure that the SKU is appropriate against the product and the additional option. Save the file to your local computer and then upload the file to the admin site and select Verify. Next will come the validation screen, whereby we can invalidate or correct or import the verification. The options SKU should now be verified on the following screen. Now back to Quote and Print. Add an appropriate stock item for the additional option using the SKU as the stock code. We also need to set up one warehouse for this item, and it's up to you whether you deduct the stock when invoicing or not. Now let's go to the customer website. From here, we can order the predefined product. On the next screen, we will be required to select the quantity and confirm the additional option for this product. We can then continue to the checkout. The shopping cart will now require us to confirm our order, including the additional options and also the tax. The next is the payment and shipping screen. We will be required to select our shipping method and payment and finalise the order by selecting Order Complete. On the customer website, we will see how the order confirmation is shown ready for pickup. Back to the admin site, we'll see the order shown in Orders, List Orders, and we can select the appropriate status for this order at this time. In Quote and Print now, under Forms, Web Order Processing, this order will be showing the product and the additional option and any freight charges. Following the web order processing, along to the invoice delivery dissections, we'll see every component of the product ordered. Following it to the invoice, we'll see the total amount will correspond to that shown in ONPRINTSHOP. When the order is processed, invoiced and delivered, the stock level will be automatically adjusted in Quote and Print. On the customer website, the stock level will be automatically adjusted from the Quote and Print stock level. Now to the report section to show the transactions that have taken place. From the Forms menu, Stock Movement Report, select Customer, then Delivery Code, then Stock. And from the filter, put your customer code in to make it exclusively for them. Search and print. Another report that can be used is from Forms Delivery Report, filtering it by customer then address, also using the logistics filter to nominate the customer code and the address code. And yet another report that can be used from the Forms Logistics Delivery Report section is the delivery report filtered by address code, nominating the date range, the customer code and the address code. There are more tutorials in this series. That is B2C General Product Order, B2B General Product Order, and also B2B Request for Quote.